Glam MC in the place to be. If you like makeup, just wait and see. These videos will teach you something. If you like it, thumbs up it. Subscribe to my channel if you like my stuff. I'll appreciate it greatly. Give it up. Hello my friends, this is Mariana Crawford and I am going to be going over my new Sephora play for June. This is what I received. The subscription is only $10 and you get some skincare and perfume sometimes. It's like 5 items. I have here a foundation from Makeup Forever, Murad gel. This is a age reform gel hydrate, oil free, non-greasy. Okay, this is I guess a moisturizer. We have a perfume here. This is Omnia Pink Sapphire. Omnia. This is what the little package looks like for the perfume. And this is really cool. Take the day off makeup remover for lids, lashes, lips. This is really cool. Let's see. And we have Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. I'm really excited for this one. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Lipstick. And this is in the shade Queen Bee. This looks really beautiful. I'm going to try that on today. So in the box we have this little insert. We get 50 points for Sephora. When we make an order, you can add those 50 points to get free products. And it comes with this insert. And Welcome to Beauty Boardwalk is the theme for this beauty box. Okay. And we have the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Shine, and this one I have 2 samples of already, and I really love that foundation. It's really good. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Take the Day Off first. I want to take off everything that I put on this morning. I put H2O gel liner, gel moisturizer I mean, this morning, and I want to take it off and use the Murad hydrator just to try it out. So I want to, it has no scent, which is cool. Oh, it feels oily on the skin, so that means it'll really take off that hard makeup. Is this for eyes only? Let me see. Take the Day Off makeup remover for lids, lashes, lips. Okay, so this was just for the lashes and the lips. I used to have this. What am I talking about? I used to have this before YouTube. I used to wear Clinique products to clean my face. Like, they had the 3-step process, and this was one of the items that I bought, and I liked it. It did take off my eye makeup, but I have to try it again. Now I have like a greasy mess on my face, and now I feel like taking that off. So this is my Sephora Triple Action Cleansing Water. I'm gonna go ahead and take off a little bit of the greasiness that I feel on my face. Alright, that's better. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of the Murad Intensely Hydrating Oil-Free Water Gel. Contains revolutionary massage evenly over your face, neck, and chest. Follow Murad sunscreen during the day. Oh, it's pink. I don't smell it. It doesn't have a smell. Oh, it's like the H2O, the Tarte H2O that I just put on. It feels like a gel moisturizer. It does have a little bit of a scent, but it's like a clean scent. Very faint. Water gel, just like the H2O Tarte. It feels really good on the skin. I really like it a lot. I'm gonna try the Omnia perfume just to see if I like it. It's very, oh my god, it's really like strong. The strong scent. Not my favorite. Not my favorite scent. Oof. I'm gonna smell that all day. We use a little bit of the Frizz, Living Proof Frizz. I have used their shampoo and conditioner, and the shampoo and conditioner from Living Proof is really great. It's silicone free, color safe cream, soothes hair texture and moisturizes for polished look that's ready for any occasion. Apply to the roots to end on clean, damp hair. Avoid running fingers through hair too much during the day. The more you touch it, the more frizz you will follow. I'm just putting it on just to see. It did give me a little bit of a shine right now. I love Living Proof products. They're really, really good. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. This is the one that I'm mostly excited about, the lipstick. It's very lightweight. It's a very good formula. I've tried melted matte before from Too Faced. It's nice and wet. It feels wet, but it dries down. You don't feel anything on your lips. It's really, really good. And it lasts a long time from the past that I know of. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the HD foundation now. But before I do that, I'm gonna put on a little bit of primer. And for primer, I'm gonna use the anti-age primer from Cover FX. I really like getting both BoxyCharm and the Sephora Play, just because with the Sephora Play I get my skincare and foundation and primers and lipsticks, and then I also get just brushes and makeup items from BoxyCharm. So I like having both. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of Makeup Forever HD. This is in the shade Y245, and I wanted to say that I recently found my Clarisonic, and if I don't see something all the time, I don't use it, but I recently found it and started using it for like skincare to deep clean my pores and everything, and I have seen a big difference on my skin because of it. This is a very good shade match. That was a very nice shade match. I like it. I hope in the sun, I still think it's a good shade match, because sometimes on camera it looks one way and then in the sun it looks another. I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of my powders to set my makeup. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set my face. I'm going to use my Colourpop No Filter concealer. And put a little bit on the top of my lids. Use a little bit of Laura Mercier to set the concealer. I'm using my Kevyn Aucoin contour and bronze For the contour, it's Sculpt Medium. For the bronze is Desert Nights. Going from the top of my ear down towards my mouth, the contour in the hollows of my cheeks to chisel out the cheekbones, my jawline. Taking my crown brush and going over and marrying the contour and the bronzer together, putting the excess on my neck. Alright, I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to put a little tiny bit of blush now. For blush, I'm going to use a little bit of Naked Cosmetics. I'm going to use a little bit of a holographic one. I'm going to use the first one. It's like a pinky one. And I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill palette to create a look. It's part of my project pan, and I'm going to be using this up. My giveaway has only 24 hours left, so I would leave the link down below just in case you guys want to enter my makeup giveaway. Go ahead and check it out. I'm going to use this one as a transition. I'm going to use this one. This one, it has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's like a cranberry shade. And that one is Cran Apple. I use a little bit of this one. This one is called Firework. Use a little bit of Faint. Use my Tom Ford. For mascara, I'm going to use my Tarte Slash Paint mascara. Okay. As you can see, I didn't put anything on the lower lashes. I didn't put any mascara or any eyeliner or anything on the lower lashes. I just did the top. I'm just trying something new. And I'm going to put a little bit more of the Melted Matte lipstick. Okay. And a little bit of a brow bone highlight from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to use the first one, which is in Light. And I'm going to put a little bit in the inner corner as well. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.